Focus selected. This is hello friend. I will show you how to reinstall your wet grinder which is not running. First remove this cap. I have already removed everything. Then remove this one and remove this one. Now you will get like this washer. You don't have to spin, you just have to put screwdriver and you have to take it up. It will come outside. Then there is the washer here, and remove the washer. Then there is another washer here, rubber type. Just remove this one and remove this cap. And there will be four screws here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. First you have to remove this rubber. I have already removed everything. After removing this rubber, take off this, and there is the screw here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. After removing this, take it out, and there is a bush here. There will be screw here like this type. So you have to remove this screw, and you just need to put screwdriver and you have to pull it up. It can get easily uninstalled. Then put some oil this side. You have to be careful that oil doesn't go inside the wiring, and you can try to put inside like this type. After finishing, when it spin, again you can reinstall it. Just put it back, bush washer here. This hollow you should come outside. Then like this, and put it inside. You can put it rubber there, and same thing you can do it here. And just like a cycle chain, you can put it back and put this screw back here. Then put the top cover. Then put this one ring inside and put the washer, first washer.
You got a message from 575755602. It says, Dilip Mohan Reddy shared funniest and craziest videos is post.
Like this one.
//f.com/l/winibumjanjagar. Reply with your comment or like.
Finished.
You got a message from